Hey there, patio teak lovers. Welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're taking a peek at the world of teak, specifically teak outdoor furniture care. We know you want to keep your gorgeous teak pieces looking fresh and fabulous all year round, so we've put together the ultimate seasonal care guide just for you. So let's start with the season known for new beginnings, spring, which means spring cleaning. Start by giving your teak a thorough inspection for any damage. Surface scuffs can usually be sanded out with fine grit sandpaper, then wipe it with teak oil. Break out your vacuum or soft bristle brush to remove any dust or debris. And for a deep clean, mix up a mild soap and warm water solution or use a specialized teak cleaner. Then rinse and let it dry completely in the sun. Now let's fast forward to those sunny summer days. This is prime time for enjoying your teak furniture, but it also means more chances for spills and stains. The key here is to act fast. Wipe up any spills immediately and give your teak a regular brush down to prevent dirt and grime from building up. Every few weeks, give it a once-over scrub with soap and water, then let it dry fully to avoid moisture damage. And if your teak starts to look a little parched, it might be time to apply a fresh coat of teak sealer. Pro tip: you can also let your teak age naturally with less sealer. That's when they get that beautiful silvery gray color. When fall rolls around, it's time to start prepping your teak for its winter hibernation. Give it one last clean, paying extra attention for any stubborn stains or grime. Then, if you have the space, move it into a garage or shed for storage. If not, invest in some high-quality, breathable outdoor furniture covers to protect it from the elements. Also, a final teak sealer application right before you tuck it away for the winter can do wonders. Of course, we also have a useful list year-round teak care tips for you too. You can find those and our full in-depth seasonal instructions on our blog. The link is in the description below. To shop for your own luxury teak patio furniture and accessories, head over to our website at patioproductions.com. Thanks for watching and happy teak keeping.